What's up, YouTube land? Jim K's here. Back doing a food review. Just went out for dinner tonight, real quick. Something quick before work, and stopped at Burger King. And I noticed that they came back with their spicy nuggets. So we are going to give them a try tonight, and I'm going to let you know what I think. It's going to be a short review, real quick. I also got a fry, but Burger King fries. They're not as good as what they once were. But the one thing I can say is when I come to Burger King, 9 times out of 10 when I get my fries, they're hot. Now, if I go to McDonald's, 9 times out of 10 when I get those fries, they're not hot. So the key is to getting hot fries, and write this down. When you go to Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's, tell them you want your fries with no salt. That way, they have to make them fresh. That's a little tip for you. Tip 101. Right. So this is the pack they come in. And this is what they look like. Inside the pack. Yeah, I know, it's stupid, but it's all good. And this is what they look like. Very red. You can see the seasoning all over them. Spicy batter, that matters. Kind of a thick nugget. I do prefer, although I don't really like BK nuggets. I do prefer them over McDonald's because there's a lot more flavor. Alright, going real quick. Ranch. See that white meat working with a crispy batter. There's not an initial kick of heat, but after you chew it for a little bit, it does get a little warm and tingly in your mouth. BK, Wendy's, McDonald's, anybody out there in the fast food game, I'm begging you to please come up with like a super spicy chicken nugget. We're going to take one more of these. I'll give you my rating. One quick dip of the sauce.